لقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Tajweed Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last lesson, we finished the first of the two types of characteristics, which is sifat laha did, characteristics that have opposites. We looked at the different pairs and how to apply the sifat laha did. Today, inshallah, we're going to start the other groups of characteristics, the second type, which is sifat la didda laha, characteristics that have no opposites, inshallah. We're going to do the first two from the six. The first two from the six, we'll find out what these are, which letters are in these groups, and how to apply this rule. So we're going to look at the first one, as-safir, and second one, al-leen. So the first one here, as-safir just means the whistling. So the three letters in the Arabic alphabets, whenever we pronounce these three letters, naturally we'll have a whistling sound, a sharp whistling sound. When we pronounce the sin, when we pronounce the sad, when we pronounce the zai. Sin, for example, if I say the word as-sama, can you hear that sharp whistling sound? It's a natural sound that comes with the sin. As-sama. We have here sad. Sad is similar to sin but a bit heavier. As-sirata, as-sirata, as-sirata. Then we have here zai. Az-zumar. So three letters, the Arabic alphabets, whenever we pronounce these three letters, a natural sharp whistling sound comes with these three letters. That's the sin, sad, and zai. So this is the first group of sifat la didda laha, the first group, which is characteristics that have no opposites. So as-safir. Then let's go to the second one. Second one is al-leen. Al-leen just means softness, soft. Okay, so what does this mean? This means if we're going to stop on the word, imagine we're stopping on the word. The second last letter of the word is a ya sakina, ya with a sukun, and preceded by letter that has a fatha, like the word Quraysh, or the second last letter is a waw sakina, waw that has a sukun, preceded by letter that has a fatha. Then what do we do with this word? We pronounce this word, or the ya, prior to that, the fatha of the previous letter. So we pronounce the word, okay, with softness, without any pressure of the tongue. So Quraysh, no pressure with the tongue. Quraysh, or khawf. If this letter, imagine there's a ya sakina. If yours preceded by letter ya sakina as the second last letter of the word, preceded by letter that has a kasra, like Rabbil Alameen. If I say Alameen, mean, I'm actually putting pressure on the tongue. But because there's a fatha prior to the ya, no pressure with the, we're not going to put any pressure when we pronounce this word. So Quraysh, or the word khawf is pronounced lightly, gently, with softness. Khawf, Quraysh, al-bayt, and so on. An important note, inshallah, is that this word, whenever we pronounce these words, okay, we have to make sure that they should not be pronounced in between fatha and kasra. So fatha, kasra, in between it is wrong. So if I say the word Quraysh, this is in between fatha and kasra. Quraysh, aish. Or khawf, like an O sound. We should avoid this. We should pronounce a clear fatha and a clear fatha. So Quraysh, and here khawf, lightly, gently, and with clarity, inshallah. So today we looked at as-safir and al-leen. Inshallah, in the next lesson, we're going to look at two more characteristics, which is at-tikrar and at-tafashi. We'll find out what they are, what the letters they have, and how to apply these two characteristics. Until then, jazakumullahu khairan, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.